As a real estate agent, you are always on the go and spending money left and right to make things happen. Whether you are helping a customer sell his home or helping someone else buy a rental property, you are always spending money. Have you ever thought which for these expenses are a tax write-off? In this video we are discussing tax deduction for real estate agents 2021 to 2022, ultimate guide that can help you lower your tax burden. 1. Advertising and marketing. Most of the real estate agents and realtors spend money in this category. Real estate agents spend thousands a month on advertising and marketing. Some of the examples include sales leads, example from Zillow, yard signs, business cards, website cost, pay-per-click or Google campaigns or direct mail campaigns. 2. Education and training. One of the things we have learned by talking to hundreds of successful realtors that they always invest money in their earning ability. Many work with other successful realtors and purchase their coaching programs. They also spend money on continuing education requirements to stay on top of legal requirements. Many successful real estate agents also buy audiobook subscription from Amazon or real estate books and online courses. These expenses not only reduce your taxable income, but also can help you increase your earned income as well. 3. Required licenses and dues. In order to work as a realtor, you are required to maintain your license and pay for dues either on year or quarterly basis. These expenses can be legal write-off. 4. Phone, internet and fax. Realtors spend more than 50% of the time over phone, internet or reviewing fax offers. As realtor, you can write off large portion of your cell phone, Verizon or AT&T, internet and fax/e-fax charges. 5. Insurance. Realtor are required to carry various insurance to protect the public. These insurance include E&O, general business coverage insurance, business vehicle insurance. If you are successful enough to have your own office, you may have employees and will need to pay workers' compensation. This is also tax deductible. 6. Real estate agent car tax deduction. Realtors spend more than 50% of their time using their business vehicles, either looking for properties, showing the properties to the customers or running paperwork back and forth between buyers, sellers and escrow companies. This is very important deduction for realtors, and it's important that you learn all the options before making your choice. 7. Business travel and meals. If you work across state or across country, you may have to travel a lot. Many of the travel expenses are fully tax deductible. These expenses may include airfare, hotel stay and lodging and travel meals. On the other hand, if you are not traveling and taking a client out for a business meal and taking another realtor or vendor out to discuss business, you can write off meals. Usually meals are 50 deductible, but in 2021 and 2022 laws may be slightly different and may allow up to 100 deduction of meals. 8. Home office deduction. Many real estate agents work from their home. They usually have their computer, printer and other equipment set up at home. IRS requires that portion of the home deducted on your tax return is exclusive area and is not shared for personal purposes. For example, you cannot have a small table on side of bedroom. There are two methods for deducting your home office. Simple and complex method. Simplified method for realtors. Simple method allows you to take your square footage and multiply by $5 a square foot. Max amount you can write of under this methods is $1,500. An example would be a 100 square foot room that you use exclusively as your office. Multiplying that by $5 gives you $500 that you can deduct for your home office. Detailed method for realtors. In order to calculate home office deduction under this method, first you find out what is total size of your home office, example 200 square foot, then you divide that by total home size, example 2000 sq feet. So office is 10% of the total home. Secondly, you take home expenses such as mortgage interest, insurance, property tax, repairs and utilities and come up with the total, example $20,000. Thirdly, you take 10% of $20,000, which will be $2,000. 9. Office rent and utilities. If you rent office space for your real estate office, then the rent you pay is tax deductible along with office utilities such as electricity, water, and trash service. This is an important tax deductions for real estate agents for 2021 to 2022, as many real estate agents pay for desk fee or shared cost of utilities for their office. 10. Business gifts, $25 deduction limit. IRS allows business gifts of $25 per person per year. If you pay anyone more than that, then it may be taxable depending up the purpose and what was the gift intended to accomplish. If a payment can be considered other income or referral, and you pay someone $600 or more, then you are required to issue them a 1099-M or 1099 NEC. 11. Expenses paid on client's behalf. It's very common practice for real estate agents to pay many expenses on behalf of client to help clients get their home or real estate property sold. These fees may include expenses such as property appraisals, inspection reports, minor repairs, photography, and home staging. 12. Self-employed health insurance deduction. If you are self-employed, most likely you have to buy your own health insurance. You can deduct health insurance you pay for yourself or your family. This is written off as an adjustment in your income taxes. 13. Small business equipment. Real estate agents often purchase standard business equipment like computers, iPad, video cameras, camera drones for photography. Most of these items are fully deductible, expensed, in the year you purchase them versus having to depreciate them over multiple years. However, if you find yourself buying expensive items, such as laptops, drones and other items over $2,500, be sure to check with your tax accountant and CPA if it can be deducted or depreciated over time. You may be able to take Section 179 or bonus depreciation on some of the